Hi guys, so for today I will show you some of my harvest of kamuting kahoy. So isang puno lang siya and some kamote. So hinarvest ko yung kamote ko. Actually pang third harvest ko na siya. Ayan, konti lang yung na-harvest ko. And dito sa bukid, hindi ka magugutom kung masipag ka lang. And also we have some banana or saging na saba. So, masarap siyang ilaga or gawing turon. Ayan. So, hindi ka talaga magugutom. And also, we have some lemon. I remember when I was in Hong Kong na medyo pricey siya. So, bumibili ako noon kasi marami itong health benefits sa ating katawan. So, maganda siyang pang cleansing. And right now, I have 2 punuan. And also, I markot some of it para mapadami pa siya. And I propagate also some through seeds. So, ito naman ang aming native chicken. So, it started sa isang manok lang hanggang sa dumami na siya. So, every morning is pinapatuka namin siya with the help of my little boy named Noah. So, hinahabol niya at hinuhuli. Ayan, so pag gusto natin ng masarap na sabaw ng tinulang manok, hulihin lang. So we have a free ulam na. And they lay some eggs. Ayan. So libre ang ating itlog every morning. So that would be all. Thank you for watching.